Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook ostrich steak. First, pat your ostrich steaks thoroughly dry with paper towels. This ensures a beautiful sear. Next, season them generously on all sides with kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any favorite steak rub. Allowing the steak to sit at room temperature for about 15 minutes helps it cook more evenly. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious, perfectly cooked meal. Achieve that perfect crust by heating a heavy-bottomed skillet, like cast iron, over medium-high heat. Once hot, add about 1 tablespoon of a high-smoke point oil, such as grapeseed or avocado. Carefully place your seasoned ostrich steaks into the pan. Sear each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, aiming for a beautiful golden brown crust. This quick searing process locks in the natural juices and develops incredible flavor. An instant-read thermometer is your best friend for perfectly cooked ostrich steak. For a tender medium rare, you are aiming for an internal temperature between 130 and 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your steaks reach this point, immediately remove them from the pan. Transfer them to a cutting board and let them rest, tented loosely with foil, for 5 to 7 minutes. This crucial resting period ensures the juices redistribute evenly throughout the meat, guaranteeing maximum tenderness and flavor. Once rested, it is time to slice your beautiful ostrich steak. Always slice against the grain using a very sharp knife. This technique shortens the muscle fibers, making each bite incredibly tender. Aim for thin, even slices, perhaps 1/4 inch thick, for the best texture. Arrange your sliced steak artfully on a warm plate. A simple drizzle of any pan juices or a light herb sauce can elevate the presentation and add extra moisture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.